Today we have a really cool 1971 BMW 2800 CS. It is a bit of a resto mod. It's got a 3.5 liter engine in it. It has 62,000 miles on the car, and it originally was an automatic and still is an automatic. So we're going to take it for a drive and show you what it's like. Well, as I said, 62,000 original miles, 3.5 liter engine. What else can I tell you? Really cool Alpina steering wheel, horn works, Alpina wheels, great working air conditioning. Just a really cool, tight BMW CS. As I've said in the past, these are really cool cars. In this case, I kind of like it with the automatic. But every time I say that, it's because if my kids are in the back, I could have one hand free to start whacking them. Dad, over here yet? Dad, over here yet? Dad, over here yet? Dad, over here yet? A lot of you know the story. Anyway, we will be back to you as soon as it warms up a little bit. Take it on our farm road and then give you some flybys. Okay, well, here we are on the curvaceous road, and we're not going to set any land speed records, although the car does go quite well, which we'll show you on the farm road in a straight line. But it handles really well. It's a fun car to drive, especially for a four-seater. It's pretty nimble. Feels great. Actually has a cool kickdown. Plenty of power. But really cool around town also. Great brakes, great steering, great gearbox, nice stereo. Here we are on our farm road where we get some speed, and obviously we're not doing a standing start, but if you get on it, the car does go really well. Track's great. It's a fun car. A very Germanic type of way. Sporting four-seater kind of way. Must have stolen the horn from the Volkswagen parts bin though. I'm just saying. Alrighty, well, hope you like the BMW, and we're gonna look to give it a really good home.